Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Night Walkers. Tonight, we're delving into a question that pops up in every traveler's mind when planning a trip to the land of smiles. Is Phuket safe at midnight? Phuket, the jewel of Thailand, famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and incredible food. But as the sun dips below the horizon and the neon signs begin to glow, a different energy takes over. Tonight, we're going on a first-hand journey to uncover the truth. We'll be walking the streets of Patong, Old Town, and even venturing near some of the quieter beach areas, all after the clock strikes 12. Our goal? To give you an honest, unfiltered look at what it's really like. First stop, Patong. Known for its lively Bangla Road, Patong can feel like a city that never sleeps. Even at midnight, the streets are alive with activity. You'll find vendors selling everything from street food delights to souvenirs, and the atmosphere is generally festive. But beyond the main arteries, how does it feel? We're taking some of the side streets, well lit but not as packed. What we're seeing are mostly locals and tourists enjoying late-night walks, catching a tuk-tuk, or simply heading back to their hotels. The general feeling is one of caution, yes, but not of fear. A crucial element of safety anywhere is transportation. In Phuket, tuk-tuks, taxis, and ride-sharing apps are readily available. My advice? Always confirm the fare before you get in, or use reputable apps like Grab. Drivers are generally friendly and professional, and I've personally had nothing but positive experiences. What about the beaches? While beautiful by day, walking on secluded beaches alone at midnight is generally not recommended anywhere in the world, and Phuket is no exception. Stick to areas near resorts or well-trafficked pathways if you want to enjoy the sea breeze after hours. Common sense, as always, is your best travel companion. So, after our nocturnal exploration, what's the verdict? Is Phuket safe at midnight? The answer, like many things in travel, is nuanced. Yes, Phuket can feel very safe at midnight, especially in well-populated and well-lit areas like Patong and Old Town. Most locals are friendly and there's a strong sense of community. However, it's vital to remember a few key things. Stay in well-lit public areas. Be aware of your surroundings. Avoid walking alone on secluded beaches or dark alleyways. Use reputable transportation. Keep an eye on your belongings. And of course, don't overindulge and lose your judgment. Phuket is an incredible destination, and its nighttime offers a unique charm. With a little common sense and awareness, you can confidently explore its vibrant evenings and create unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us on this night walk. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more nocturnal adventures, and let us know in the comments. What's your experience been like in Phuket after dark? If you would like to see more walking tours, please like and subscribe and keep exploring.